These are zinnias, and zinnias can get up to 4 or 5 feet tall. There are some dwarf varieties that only get about 3 feet tall, and then there's some miniature varieties that are only 6 or 8 inches tall. They're landscaper series. But these are some of the taller ones, and they come in a large variety of colors that are really bright and vibrant. Most importantly, they have a flat surface on the flower, which butterflies like to land on. And again, we're going to plant these only to the surface height, nice root systems on them. The soil that's actually here, we don't want to bury the crowns of these plants. Zinnias are a good cut flower also. They last for quite a while in a vase. And when these get a little older in the season and start blooming, they will bloom until frost.